Hi everyone, it's me Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the differentiation of a function with respect to another function. We already discussed about the derivative of a function with respect to the input of that function, but here in this video we will discuss about the derivative of a function with respect to another function. Please watch this video till the end so that you will be very clear about the idea of differentiation of one function with respect to the next function. And if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon for instant notification of the uploaded videos. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. Here the today's topic is derivative of a function with respect to the next function. Here I have taken a particular question to illustrate the derivative of a function with respect to another function of the same variable. Here a function is here 3x minus 1 whole square. I am going to differentiate it with respect to the next function 2x plus 1. Here the let's write this information symbolically. Derivative of this function 3x minus 1 square with respect to 2x plus 1. This is the notation for this statement. Derivative of this function with respect to this, and this can be written as, let's use the chain rule here. This can be written as 3x minus 1 derivative of 3x minus 1 whole square with respect to 3x minus 1. Here we just divide this expression numerator by derivative of 3x minus 1. So for balancing we have to multiply also 3x minus 1 derivative of 3x minus 1, and this is as it is derivative of 2x plus 1. Here we just use the chain rule. This is called as chain rule. Here we extra, here we divide and multiply this expression by the d of 3x minus 1 derivative of 3x minus 1. Let's simplify this. Here in this case, in this first term, we can use the power law. Let me write the formula. We have the formula derivative of x to the power of n with respect to x, with respect to this x is just n times x raised to the power of n minus 1. It is valid for all the n belongs in the set of the rational number. Please memorize this very important formula. This is very important formula on the power of the derivative of a power function. Here same we can use the formula. Here the power is 2 power times 3x minus 1 raised to the power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 gives just 1. Here we use this formula on the first expression times here. This can be written as derivative of 3x minus 1 with respect to x times derivative of x over derivative of 2x plus 1. Here we just use the chain rule. This is also called as the chain rule. Here we divide by dx and multiply by dx, and this is 2 times 3x minus 1 raised to the power 1 times, here we can calculate the derivative of this function. So we can use the here the difference rule. We can distribute this d over dx over these two terms, and this will be derivative of 3x with respect to x can be written as derivative of x 3 times derivative of x. Here we just use the coefficient rule. Derivative of 1 with respect to x. Here we just you first use the difference law, difference rule, and then use the coefficient rule times, and this can be written as 1 over this numerator can goes to the denominator of the denominator number. Here this can be 2x plus 1 with respect to x. Here we just divide both numerator and the denominator by d of x, dx by dx. Here we just divide numerator and the denominator by dx. This can further simplify 2 times 3x minus 1 times 3x minus 1 times, and this is here dx over dx gives 1, just 3, and the derivative of constant is always 0, so this is just 3 times this is 3 times, and the 1 over here we can use the same concept, derivative of 2x plus derivative of 1, this is just 2 plus derivative of 1 is 0, so this 2 will be cancelled it out, 3 times this 3x minus 1. Therefore, the final answer is and this can be written as 9x minus 3. Therefore, finally obtain the derivative of 3x minus 1 square with respect to 2x plus 1 is a 9x minus 3. This is our final answer. Here we use the concept of the derivative of a function with respect to the next function of same variable. This is the way for differentiating a function with respect to next function. In our next video, we will discuss more about the derivative related problem. Please keep watching, keep loving this channel. This much for today. Thank you.